Hi everybody, this is Adam out here at Karl Kustoms in Des Moines, Iowa. Today we're going to show you one of our Connect and Cruise packages. People ask me all the time, hey, what's in a Connect and Cruise package? Well, today we're going to show you what comes in that package. And we're going to start today with the LS3 engine. It's a 430 horse LS3. It does come pretty complete, as you see. It has the coil packs, your intake, throttle body, oil pan, all that's ready to go. And also along with that, to function this engine, you're going to need this package here. This will have your ECM, your fuse box, all the wiring, drive-by-wire gas pedal, O2 sensors, map sensors, everything you need to plug this in. It's basically plug and play. You plug this into that and you're going to get it to run and put a battery to it, some fuel. So that's a really easy application from GM. And also it comes in that Connect and Cruise package. This customer opted for an automatic. This one here is the 4L70E transmission. It's a 4-speed automatic, fits a lot of applications. Depending on what yours is, just give us a call and we can figure that out. But it also has the torque converter and the install kit, which have your bolts, your flex plate, all that to bolt this to that. You know, it takes all the guesswork out of it. Also, this will be the controller for that transmission. You'll have its own box, all the wiring, everything you need for this transmission to function with that. So that's the package that you would get from a GM Connect and Cruise package. We do things a little differently. We like to get the customer everything they need in one-stop shopping. So this particular customer is a great customer of mine from Washington, and he just calls me up and says, hey, I got a 57 Chevy, I need everything for it. So what I do is I go to work and I get everything he needs to make that work in that car. This here is the starter for that engine. We sell quite a few of these. It's a great product in PowerMaster. This is a GM air cleaner kit, and what that does, it bolts right here with a big chrome tube that comes off with an air cleaner. Fits most applications and people really seem to like that. This is direct from Holley. It's a front drive kit. This one here is black, the customer decided to go with. That will have everything on the front of this engine to make it work. It'll have your AC compressor, alternator, power steering pump, belt, pulleys, brackets, everything that bolts to it will bolt right onto this application. Along with that, this is a radiator for a 57 Chevy and the correct hoses for it to bolt that radiator to this engine. You'd be surprised how hard it is to find these hoses that actually make this to fit this application. We've done the legwork here for the customer, so he just drops it in and goes. Also, one other thing he got too was the fuel tank. This fuel tank here is an Air Motive. We're direct with them as well. This will drop right in there. You drop your old tank out, this will fall right in the same spot as your original tank. It has the pump in it. All the lines that you need with it will be in this kit. This will have your regulator, your fuel lines, all the fittings to run from your tank to your engine. So if you have any other questions at all, give us a call, or you can check us out on our website at karlkustoms.com.